Hello, I am Dr. Satyashri, pulmonologist from Visakhapatnam. Today I am going to deal with allergic rhinitis and asthma. The reason being that with increase in the pollution rates, the incidence of asthma and allergic rhinitis is also considerably increasing. Today we are having 3 million cases in India of only allergic rhinitis and asthma, perhaps more than that. And out of that, 15 to 20% children are suffering. And more pathetic thing is that the diagnosis is almost many times it's not proper, and the treatment, although available, very excellent treatment, people are not taking properly. Just they take the treatment from shop whenever it is needed unknowingly, and then they simple cases they are making it chronic, and ultimately landing up in ICCU, or they are growing practically with asthma. Their children, in case of children, the study hours are being spoiled, and then working hours are also increasing. So that's why I want to talk about this asthma. This is the good news thing is that it is 100% controllable, and provided taken proper treatment from pulmonologist, one can lead happy life. Now let us know what exactly is asthma and allergic rhinitis. The allergy of our own body, maybe can genetic and sometimes idiopathic, means no reason found for that. And what happens exactly in asthma? We know that one single tube goes from the nose downwards and then just branches like here, smaller and smaller. We call bronchitis, bronchioles. So these airways get inflamed in asthma. Means this is the cut section of the airway. It's open, and here you can see the thickness increases, muscle thickness increases, it will contract, and in the lumen, the mucus, which is very thick and tenacious, gets stuck here. So these are the things which happen in asthma, and the symptoms are that patients usually begin with allergic rhinitis like sneezing, nasal block, itching of the eyes, and then ear block. And after some certain time, they'll also having cough, breathlessness, knees, chest tightness. These attacks often come and go. They are not continuous, and there are many precipitating factors for this, like exposure to dust. Dust may contain anything like cigarette smoke or automobile dust, or sometimes uh, uh, air, tree pollen grains, animal dandruff, artificial preservatives in the food, colors. So many things are there. One can see themselves what factor exactly causing them allergy. So as far as the treatment part is concerned and diagnosis, it's very simple. You need not do many expensive procedures for that. Only thing count, eosinophilic count, and PFT, pulmonary function test, can be done and can be properly diagnosed whether one is having asthma or simple cough. So in pulmonary function test, we know how much is the obstruction, what is the grade, and accordingly treat the patient. And usually treatment path consists of simple inhalers. Means the medicine is given in a very low dose, micrograms, and going directly to the lungs, causing no harm to the patients. Again, depending on the stage, early the diagnosis, lesser the treatment, duration of the treatment required. If you prolong it, multiple attacks, not accepting that you are having allergic bronchitis or asthma, and simply taking cough syrups or whatever, some antibiotic at random, the cases become chronic. And at a very early stage, it should be diagnosed. You should approach the pulmonologist and take inhalers. And again, people think inhalers are addictive and not good. This is also a very myth and wrong concept. Inhalers having two types actually, relievers and preventers. Relievers usually prevent the attack and open up the tube. They are temporary. Whereas preventers, which these medicines, they prevent the swelling of the airways, which are very important. But the duration, dose will be better known to a pulmonologist. So take exactly the whatever is required, and then yourself help yourself to land up in ICCU or becoming a chronic case where nothing can be done. That's the reason why I am taking up this topic. Any queries, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you.